Welcome student to my YouTube channel Bharat Chem Study. Today we are going to study about chapter P block elements for plus 2 class. In this video part 6 we are going to study about group 17 halogen family and its compounds, chlorine, method of preparation, chemical properties, interhalogen compounds, its structure and hybridization. So let's start with the topic. Compounds of halogens. Chlorine. It was the first halogen to be isolated from common salt, and its name chlorine is given on account of its color, that is yellowish green color, in Greek called chlorus. Preparation of chlorine. First, by heating manganese dioxide with concentrated HCl. So manganese dioxide when react with concentrated HCl, then it will form manganese chloride plus chlorine and water. Next is by heating a mixture of common salt and concentrated sulfuric acid. So when concentrated sulfuric acid is heated with NaCl and MnO2, it will form MnCl2 plus 4 NaHSO4, 2 molecules of water, and give chlorine gas. Third method is by the action of HCl on KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7. So when HCl react with KMnO4, it will give KCl, MnCl2 and chlorine plus water. Similarly, when potassium dichromate react with HCl, it will form KCl, chromium chloride, 7 water and chlorine gas. So these are the important chemical reactions for the preparation of chlorine. Reaction of chlorine with alkalis, and these are very important chemical equations. In cold, chlorine react with strong alkalis like NaH to form chlorides and hypochlorites, as NaH plus chlorine give rise to NaCl, NaClO, that is sodium hypochlorite plus water. In hot, chlorine react with strong alkalis to produce chlorides and chlorides. NaH plus chlorine give rise to NaCl and sodium chlorate plus 3 molecules of water. If chlorine is passed through dry slaked lime, bleaching powder is formed, as calcium hydroxide when react with chlorine, it will form calcium oxychloride called bleaching powder plus calcium chloride and water. Now reaction of chlorine with ammonia, again these are very important equations. When ammonia is excess, then chlorine react with ammonia to form nitrogen and ammonium chloride. But when chlorine is in excess, then excess chlorine react with ammonia to form HCl and NCl3, which is a yellow colored highly explosive. Chlorine as an bleaching agent. Chlorine react with moisture or water to give nascent oxygen, so it acts as a bleaching agent and decolorize the colored substance. Chlorine plus water give rise to HCl and nascent oxygen, and this nascent oxygen oxidize the color of the colored matter to form colorless matter. Now chlorine as an oxidizing agent. So chlorine when react with water produce HCl and nascent oxygen, so it acts as an oxidizing agent. It oxidizes sulfur dioxide to sulfuric acid, as when chlorine react with sulfur dioxide in presence of water, it gives H2SO4 and HCl. It oxidizes sulfite to sulfate. So when chlorine react with sodium sulfite in presence of moisture, it gives sodium sulfate and HCl. Similarly, chlorine oxidizes H2S to sulfur. So when chlorine react with H2S, it gives sulfur and HCl. So these are important oxidizing reaction of chlorine. Interhalogen compounds. The compound which contain two or more different halogens atoms are called interhalogen compounds. They have general formula XX-N, where X and X- are different halogens. Only the structure and hybridization in coming our syllabus. Their method of formation are not in our syllabus. First type XX-, ClF, ICl, BrF, BrCl. All these have linear geometry and having sp3 hybridization. Next type is XX-3. Example ClF3, BrF3, IF3. In all these, the center atom is having sp3 dehybridization and geometry is T shape, in which 3 bond pair are present and 2 lone pairs are present as shown. Note, ICl3 exists as a dimer and have a planar structure like this. Structure of IF5. In this, the central atom I is having sp3d2 hybridization and the structure is square pyramidal in which 5 bond pairs are present and 1 lone pair is present. Now structure of IF7. In this, the central atom iodine is having sp3d3 hybridization and the structure is pentagonal bipyramidal like this. Now structure of ICl2-1. In this, the central atom iodine is having sp3d hybridization and the geometry is linear geometry with 2 bond pairs and 3 lone pair like this. Now structure of ICl4-. In this, the central atom iodine is having sp3d2 hybridization and the structure is square planar geometry with 4 bond pair and 2 lone pair like this. Now question, explain why fluorine form only one oxo acid, that is HOF. That is very important question. So many times come in the board exam. The answer is that due to high electronegativity and small size, fluorine form only one oxo acid by showing one oxygen state of -1. Next question is, name the 2 poisonous gases which can be formed from chlorine. The answer is phosgene, that is COCl2 and tear gas. Next question is that why ICl is more reactive than iodine. The question can also be put as the interhalogen compounds are more reactive than halogens. The answer is that ICl bond is polar due to electronegative difference between iodine and chlorine. So ICl bond is weak, whereas II bond, that is the bond present in iodine, is non-polar and stronger than ICl bond. Therefore, ICl is more reactive than iodine. Study all the chemical reactions and structures discussed in this video and do written practice of the structure of interhalogen compound. These are very important. In next video, we will study group 18, that is noble gases. Please like and subscribe our channel for the latest update. Thank you.